ถอดครับห้าสี่สามสอง
Good morning, everyone, lay student and monk student. Today we are in Nakhon Phanom Buddhist College, Mahachulalongkorn Buddhist University. I am a teacher from Mahasudpet Vajrayano. I would like you to know, to learn today the important teaching of Buddha, that is the Four Noble Truths. The topic, the subject we are learning today, Dhamma in English. We need to know what is Dhamma in English. The main or important teaching of Buddha, that is the Four Noble Truths. The Four Noble Truths we need to know is suffering. Suffering is something bad. Nobody want to have it. The suffering. Next topic, the cause of suffering, mean the original of suffering. Where the suffering come from, why the suffering happen. The third one, cessation of suffering. Suffering we can solve, suffering we can stop, suffering can end. We can stop the suffering. The last one, the path leading to cessation of suffering. The Buddha not only teach only suffering, but he teach about the way how to stop the suffering. He teach people about the way of happiness. I think today we learn only the main topics of Four Noble Truths only. Next day, next time, next period, same time, same teacher, and same period. We need, or I hope you come to join our class again. See you next time.